get in there. Just run down the hallway.
Go, keep on.
Go!
Move in.
Move in! Get in there!
Go fire across.
We're clear! You good?
Yeah.
Hey, you guys got that door?
Yeah, I got the door.
We're clear. Yeah, you got that? I'll stay out of your way.
Taking out multiple.
Are we clear?
No, they're in there.
Where are they?
All over. Look at the windows.
I don't see anyone.
There's a straight window right here. Yeah, they are. That window right there.
Oh shit, I see him.
You gonna call that?
Shut Eli.
Hit him in the face.
2 minutes into the game. We're 2 minutes into the game. Calm down.
You guys got a visual?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're all over that trailer. Why don't you peek your head?
Eli, what's with you today? Jeez. It's not friendly.
All 3 windows.
We need to move up. I kind of want to move up right here.
Other side of the trailer.
Oh shit, Eli, watch out.
Contact. Where's it coming from?
Damn, where are they?
Ricochet to hell.
Yeah, this door's hostile. To the mat.
Go back. I got the guy. Window down. Window neutralized. Window neutralized. Josh, window straight across. Go. Get out of the doorway.
Shit. We need to frag that trailer.
What?
We need to frag that trailer.
We do.
You can shoot. I'm
Clear.
moving up.
Eli, jeez.
Sorry. It's not. Okay. Taking fire from that window, Josh. Watch it. Don't
Guys,
Don't
Guys,
I kind of want to rush and frag it.
Dude, if you can get to that cover right over here, you see that wall over there? That wall?
We need to take some of them out first. We can't get up in this.
Corner. Careful. Watch the door. Watch the door.
Yo, hey, buddy, get out of his way.
Sit down. Sit. You don't want to be standing in the door. Corner of that trailer.
Like, right side?
Idea. Corner that side.
Right side.
Sure. They're moving in. Enemies in the other trailer. No, watch the right. Watch the right. Guys are moving along the right. Watch it. I'm going.
Eli, like right entrance doorway.
What? Yeah, right out the door.
right.
Behind the barrel.
You got that?
I got it.
All right, you got that. Stay on that door.
I am.
Eli, am I clear to move up?
Guys, you see that wall right there? That little wall right there?
Yeah.
If we can move up into that.
Yeah, I'm moving.
Who's carrying the flag?
Eli, where are they?
We gotta raise that somehow. Yeah,
Corner of the trailer.
that corner?
Yes. Right that window.
You wanna go from top? Hit!
Second window, Eli, from the left.
He's driving to Eli.
Ready?
Drag him.
Hey, pop up. Get in my window. I'm gonna go medical.
Yo, Eli, you're good. Eli, stop, stay back. Eli, he's medic.
Coming back. Watch the fire, coming back.
Yo, Eli, I want to get to that.
Using that window.
Yo, Eli, if you give me covering fire, I'll run right up here.
3,
I'll run cover fire.
2, 1, go.
Go!
What the hell are you doing? Pull him!
Pull me to the medic. You can do that. Grab my hand.
Grab him!
I'm watching the goddamn door.
No, you're Fred.
I'm hit.
Josh. I need cover. Where are they?
Second window.
Left? Hit! Dead player!
We're all racing behind. We got a lot of guys out. Dead player coming out.
Dead player coming out! Coming out! You alright?
Yeah. My gun battery died, so.
Oh, that sucks. How you guys doing? How you doing? I know.
Guys, we need more at the right side.
What's it like over to the right?
We need guys over here.
I saw them all rushing.
Yeah. See that big mound straight
Yeah.
beside the rest? There's like 2 or 3 behind you.
Alright, buddy.
Right behind what pile?
Right here, there's like dirt mound. He said there's a few behind there.
Hey, are we in there?
Yeah, we're in the trailer.
Alright, we gotta start pushing the right side. We need that mound over there.
Alright, dude.
Hey, they're both out. Hey guys, push up. 2 behind the mound just went.
You guys have to keep pushing trailer. We're pushing right. We're taking out some of the resistance.
Anyone of you guys give me cover fire? Make sure you don't pop.
I have no idea where they are.
Red thing right in front of us. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go. You need to. These talkies are shit in the bed. Guys, where are they? Right side. Right there, right there. Right there. See him? He's running. Watch him. Right there, right there. He's hit. Yo, watch out. You got another guy moving right. They're pushing right. They're flanking. Right at this corner. Hit. Yo, man, I was dead. What'd you say? Okay, they've got the right side locked down. We're literally getting pinned right in front of the entrance of the trailer. You guys are gonna start getting hit soon from the doorway. I'd watch out. I saw a guy stacked up at that corner, but I got him, so just watch out.
Cover. Nick, cover. Go.
I know. You guys might get breached from the left. Watch out. They're pushing left. You might get breached from the left. Watch out. Frank, what?
We have word that they might be breaching this side of the court.
They are. Watch this side. Watch the left.
Watch this side of the courtyard.
We'll go low.
Watch out there. There's a few guys over here.
One of you.
Watch that corner.
Come to this barrel.
Why? Hit! Are you serious? How you guys doing in there? They are just pushing us back. We're getting destroyed. We need to mount a charge and frag that trailer. I'm coming inside. I'm in the trailer.
Watch out, guys. This one is
All right, look. We're doing this now. We got 5 seconds. We got a smoke screen. Josh leading the charge. Eli's over there. I need you.
I'm fragging.
All right, you're going there. I'm suppressing fire for the whole up with this kid here.
All right.
We're firing from this window. You're going. Josh, I'm keeping you covered. Good luck.
3.
Look, keep him covered.
Josh, you
Here we
leading?
go.
Yeah.
All right, boy.
3, 2,
Spray and pray.
1.
Go, go, go!
Grenade! Josh, trailer's fragged. Watch. Josh! Josh!
Dead player walking. 1 minute down, one more.
What's that, for the flag being up?
Yeah, sir.